Hello dear listeners, today I will show you how to create time variable in Excel. So in this video we convert our categorical data into quantitative data. So let's go to the point. Here are some data, that is ID and gender. This gender data is categorical data, so our task is to convert this categorical data into quantitative or metric data. So for doing this, I just determine first of all that female as 0 and male as 1. So now we use you can also use the opposite way, no problem about that. So now we just use the countif function, if function, that is if function, and there is a logical test. So first of all we just select b2 row, then equals to p1 row, then comma 1. It means that in this box male exists, then it will show 1, otherwise it will show the 0. So we input the 0, then click on enter. That is the result. Now we have to make another edit in this. We have to constant this b3 role. So first we have to use the $sign before b3 in and out, that is enter. Okay, it's done. So now we have to just drag down this cell up till last. There is a result. Now we see that male equals to 1 and female equals to 0. That is our main concern. Thanks for watching.